If you picked up Star Wars Legion and you're starting to assemble your miniatures, stick around. I just have a few quick tips that are going to make that a lot easier. Hey guys, Jared here from Mini Junkie. So I'm posting this video, it's going to be short, and I just wanted to address a few things people I think are having a bit of trouble with as they assemble their miniatures. And really I'm just going to tell you the 3 things you need to assemble Star Wars Legion miniatures. The first thing you're going to need is an X-Acto knife, a sharp one, okay? This you're going to use to scrape mold lines off your figures and to just like potentially nip off little nubs that sometimes are left behind on the molding process. That's really all you're going to need it for, but you should use it for that purpose, and make sure your needle's sharp to cut through the plastic. Second thing you can use is hobby sandpaper. This is 800 grit Tamiya sandpaper. You can get it at any hobby shop. It can go up to 1,000, even higher. You can use this, like for example, on the top of the stormtroopers' heads and things like that to smooth them off. It works well with this plastic. I wouldn't go with a coarser grit though; it could mess it up. But the real reason I'm making this video is because I noticed a lot of people are using plastic cement to assemble these, or to try to assemble them. And the truth is, plastic cement is not good with these miniatures. You need super glue. This is Gorilla brand super glue. You can pretty much use any super glue, even like dollar store super glue, but do not use anything that's called plastic glue or plastic cement, because that is designed to work with the kind of plastic that comes on a sprue or a frame, and it melts the plastic together, and it does not work with this plastic, because this plastic is some sort of a, I want to say like a PVC blend of some sort. Whatever it is, it doesn't work, so your miniatures are going to fall apart and you're going to have a lot of frustration. Put a little bit of super glue on the peg that fits into any particular hole with a certain shape. Just dab it on the end, slide the piece in, you're good. And then glue the feet to the base. Hope that's helpful. Have fun building your miniatures and get ready to painting them. And we'll see you next time.